everyone, welcome to my second lift tour at Choa Kang. I'm going to start with block 484 of the Mitsubishi, chapter 16. So obviously one of these old 1998 Mitsubishi lifts. What's this? Oh. Alright, Choa Kang down taxi. Story 16. Oh, the old buttons. Let's go down to 3. Okay, renewal program. Hi, we are here. Okay, very good Mitsubishi. Send out the 16. Okay, let's try and call lift A. Okay, my elevator is here. Let's go down. Going down. Let's go down to 1. Oh no, not one of these, another broken floor. Yo, this lift be like, I'm so trippy. Story 1. Okay. Alright, let's go to the other blocks. Okay, now I'm at block 484. Another Mitsubishi lift. Let's go to 16. Oh, I bet it's another 1998 Mitsubishi, not Fujitec. What's almost same fixtures as the other block. Why is it so damn dark in there, bro? Yo, what? Interior by law. Story 16. Story 16. No. Going down. Okay, let's go to 3. People, and yeah, man, I wish they even replace those express and gold stars, man. Oh, down. Story 9. Going down. Okay, I think y'all saw my face, so yeah, I think we should do a face review.
Tu nak naik kereta susah. Ini nak bayar juga. Naik lori. Sini dah tak boleh. Tapi kalau RM6 boleh, tapi tak turun susah.
Oh, tanya macam ni lah.
Sekarang
Nanti nak jalan macam mana?
Oh. Kita duduklah tepi tu macam mak. Kita tinggal lah.
Okay, let's try and call lift A. Skip. Okay, here comes lift A. Teleported myself to 1. Let's go to 3. Nah, yo, the other Mitsubishi trying to hit my leg just now, man. Story 3. Let's go down to 1. Going up. Okay. story 1. Okay, let's go to block 470. Okay, now I'm at block 469. Here's a Fujitec. It's a Mitsubishi. Oops. Sorry, y'all. Let's go to 16. Yeah, the Fujitec got infected with the Mitsubishi smell. Be a considerate pet owner. Oh, yeah, sorry that I blocked the camera just now. It's because I need to be careful of my leg. Because the lifts keeps on hitting my leg so much. So, pedal. Okay, no announcement. See, let's go down to 3. Yeah. Cool. Oh. Okay, y'all, I'm just gonna go down to 1. Yeah, this leaf is not announcements. Okay. Let's try and call a Mitsubishi.
Going up. Story 9. Going up.
Yeah, bro, you should go up. Okay. Alright. Mirror. Damn, I think I accidentally reviewed my face. Oh no.
Story 16.
Okay, let's go down to 1.
Going down.
Going down. Going down. Going down. Alright. Mitsubishi Electric.
Story 9. Going down. Story 3. Going down. Story 1. Going up.
Okay, let's go to block 470. Okay, here's block 470. It's another Fujitec and a Mitsubishi lift. Yeah, I'm not gonna be riding a Mitsubishi. Okay, let's. Okay, here comes the Fujitec.
Going up. What is good?
Oh, indicator legit glitch. Yep. Yeah, definitely the indicator is glitched. So yeah. Damn, why does Mitsubishi make their leaf smell so like the smell literally went towards the Fujitec. Okay, no announcements. Let's go down to 1. 10%. Oh, the Mitsubishi increased in size. Story 1. Okay, let's go to block 471. I'm at block 471. Let's ride the Fujitec again. Not riding that. Okay. What's this? Oh. Story 1. Okay, my leaf is here. Let's go up to 16. Every single leaf here has no announcement, man. Replace buttons. Okay. Another Fujitec Exodine. Oh look, Scam Girl's back. Oh damn, bro. Almost dropped the phone. Okay, let's go down to 1. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, I'm not gonna write every single Mitsubishi in the area because there's too many, bro. Story 1. Okay. Okay, time to go to block 472. Okay, at block 472, film 2 Fujitecs. Different time. Oh, announcement. Go to 15.
Doors are closing.
Doors are closing. Okay. I must make sure that the lift stays open, not closed on my feet. Going up. Doors are closing. Eep, eep, eep. Fujitec. Yeah. There. Man, I wish they didn't even replace Express yet, man. I legit missed it.
Story 15.
Story 15. Okay, let's go to 4.
Going down.
Going down. Dun, 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 dun. Going down, going up, going down, going up.
Story 4.
Story 4.
Going up.
Going up. right, the other Fujitec, lift B. Here comes the elevator. Let's go down to 1. Oh, also another
Doors are closing.
This also has announcement. Going down, doors are closing.
Story 1.
Story 1. Open it up. Okay, let's go to block 473 is my last block. Okay, here I am at block 473. There are two Fujitecs, one Mitsubishi. Fujitec. Okay. Store 15. Let's go to 4. Okay, alright. This interior is a bit different. I don't know. Oh damn, almost dropped my phone again. It's called lift B. Here comes lift B. Let's go down to 1. Story 1. Okay. Should I film the BNF? Maybe. That's the end of my lift tour. Bye everyone. Yeah, I decided not to go to block 201. Ow, my finger.